What's going on here right now is that the skies have cleared up, and that's what's making it really, really cold. At the same time, as you can see down the road from here, the residents here are still busy digging out their car. It's something many people here have been doing throughout the course of the day. And what I've just learned is that the fact that these two guys there have a cone in front of their car means that they are going to dig their car out. They're going to drive away, and that cone is going to save their spot. And anyone who takes that cone away and parks there is going to get into a lot of trouble in this part of Boston. But now the next big thing is indeed going to be the deep freeze. One of the things we have to say from having worked here all of last night is that the road crews have been absolutely amazing at keeping the roads clear. But now the big problem is going to be is with the big cold setting in is that the salt that's being used on a lot of the highways in this region is going to become largely ineffective because the temperatures are going to be too cold even for that. Some of the places here in Massachusetts will get down to minus 24 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's without the wind chill. And I can tell you from standing here, the wind chill is still very much a factor here in the weather. And one more thing, Jim, before I hand it back to you. You know, I've been covering news for a very long time, and one of the things that I said before going into TV is I would never wear a hat on television. And I've actually reported from the North Pole, and I didn't wear a hat on television. This is the first day that I've gotten smart and worn a hat because it is that cold out.